Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix Twitter lag on Motorola G37 power. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart device. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps and click on see all. Scroll down and search tutor from here. Click on tutor and click on storage and cache. If you want to fix this problem, so clear cache tutor. After clear cache tutor, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and click on reset option. If you want to fix this problem, click on reset all settings, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.